Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by today. It's a windy day, it's lovely and warm, it's windy, the seagulls there. I'm not going to get too close to them because they look quite young and there's a chance the parents may swoop on me if I get too close to them, I don't know. They definitely want some food. And between South Pier, as you can see, promenade there, and Central Pier, I'm going to walk away from that little gaggle of noisy juvenile seagulls, and we are going to just head on towards Central Pier. It's a beautiful day to be on the beach. Summer holidays have started. It's Tuesday. It's actually my day off work today, so that's nice. I have dropped down now to 5 days at work rather than 6, which is a lot better for me because I was feeling really drained doing 6. I wasn't handling it well mentally or physically. I was fine before I lost my son, but after that my body and my soul and my mind and everything just doesn't have any energy. So I decided, for the benefit of my physical and mental health, that I'd give up one of my days at work. I actually didn't really want to do it, but I did want to do it at the same time, if you understand that. But also for the next 6 weeks I'm only going to be doing 4 days at work because my job on a Sunday, even though it's on a Sunday, oh no, I'm going to get wet. Eek. I've just got to jump. Hang on, let me just jump over here. I'm going to get wet. I can't step that far, I've only got short legs. Almost. Yeah, my job on a Sunday only runs through term time, so I get summer holidays off and I get Christmas off. I actually get Christmas off as well for my main job, so that's good. So I get 2 weeks off at Christmas. Although for my main job I do have to spend my annual leave allocated hours for that 2 weeks, which is fine because even if that wasn't mandatory I would probably do that anyway, because who would say no to 2 weeks off Christmas, 2 weeks off work at Christmas? Oh wow, look at that poor jellyfish. He's obviously brown breath, poor thing, but he's massive. Look at that, that is huge. I'm in the way with my shadow. That's probably about 6 or 7 inches in diameter, maybe more. Yeah, probably about 8 inches, although maybe even 10, I don't know, I'm terrible with measurements. But yeah, poor jellyfish. I think there's quite a few of them, you know, because I've just noticed a few people looking down at the ground, at the sand, and they're probably just looking at jellyfish. I remember one summer, or one year, there was millions of them, literally millions. They were all towards St Anne's and South Shore from what I remember. But I did film them, so if I can remember I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. But yeah, I can't remember exactly where they were, but it is in my video. But there were just millions of them, literally, or thousands of them, I didn't count, but there were just tons as far as the eye could see. If you watch the video you can make up your own mind how many you would estimate there to be. Once I get towards Central Pier I'm going to veer off and I'm going to go into town because there's a few things I want to buy. And I'm dyeing my hair tonight. I had it cut. My hair was originally right down my back. It was like really long, but whilst the top of my hair was quite thick, my hair was breaking off due to like not sleeping and not eating properly after I lost Adam, and I was feeling like really bad and I wasn't looking after myself, and my hair was well, it was through the full year really, because he got diagnosed just over a year ago, and pretty much then I'd stopped looking after myself and my hair and just concentrating on caring for him. And then my hair had started falling out, and I'd started pulling it out in bed at night, but it's like I was pulling it out in my sleep, or if I was semi-asleep, and I wasn't realising I was doing it. So I had a few little bald patches, and my hair at the bottom was really thin and matty, so I had it cut quite short, which I liked. But then I decided to go on further, and I've had an undercut shaved into it, and now it's fairly short. It's like bob length. If I comb it down, you can't see the undercut. It just looks like I've got a normal, like, sensible bob. But if I tie it up, you can see all the undercut. So what I plan on doing is, I plan on bleaching and dyeing the undercut bit. So then if I tie the top bit up, you'll see the pink. And if I want to wear it down for work, I can wear it down for work. Although I have to say, in my years at work, I've had my hair all kinds of colours, and nobody's ever said anything. You know, there's loads of people that dye their hair different colours, and everybody's cool with that. So it's not as if people are judgy about different hair colour, because I mean, why should they be? It's just a hair colour. I think folks who judge people on the hair colours, I'd be like, oh come on, you're just judging that person because they have pink or blue hair. Oh, my foot's wet. Nah, this sand here I'm walking on now is like not wet, but it's damp and puddly. Well, it is wet, it's just not deep puddles. And I've just felt that horrible feeling when the water seeps through your sock and hits your feet. I'm gonna have to get off this wet bit. It kind of got all wet and I wasn't even realising it. I was just walking and talking, and I wasn't realising that I was walking in to water. But you know, never mind, my socks will dry, I suppose. I'm surprised I haven't seen more jellyfish. I'm glad I haven't seen more jellyfish. I'm not a jellyfish fan, I'm going to be honest. They kind of freak me out and scare me a bit. But that said, I don't like seeing them dead. I don't like seeing any animals or creatures dead. Oh, this bit's muddy now. I think we're almost there now, folks. Getting on to the dry bit. That's better. Yay, dry land. Good job as well, because look how wet it was there. It is warm actually, I can feel heat. Oh no, there's more jellyfish there, there's quite a lot. Yeah, there is quite a few. Poor things. I suppose it's just the way nature goes sometimes. I don't know what kind they are. Somebody did tell me when I filmed them last time what kind they were. They don't sting for sure from what I've heard. So there is quite a few, but at least there's not thousands of them like there was in that other video that I filmed. We're getting super duper close now to Central Pier. It doesn't look that close in the video because I'm looking at the screen of the camera, but we're really not that far off, a couple of 100 metres maybe. And the further I walk actually, the more jellyfish I'm seeing, so that's kind of sad. I don't know what causes them to be washed up at certain times of the year. What causes them to get stranded on the sand, because it doesn't happen all the time. It's quite rare to see a lot of them. nice view of Blackpool Tower and Central Pier. I think I will end this little vlog now, so thank you for watching the video, thank you for listening to me, thank you for always sticking by my channel, and special thanks to everybody that came over to see me on TikTok. Laika31 underscore oh excuse me, I got a cough then. Laika31 underscore. I had to put 2 underscores after my name because Laika31, as I've said before, was already taken, and Laika31 with 1 underscore was already taken as well. So yeah, I'm Laika31 with 2 underscores. Anyway, I need some water because I need to cough, so I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.